and welcome back to Anne's Family Recipe. Today I'm making a special lunch. It's the viral Jennifer Aniston salad. So I have seen this salad recipe all over the internet. I think it started on TikTok. I saw it on Instagram. Basically, Jennifer Aniston supposedly ate this every day while on the set of Friends. Well, recently, Jennifer Aniston herself actually did an interview saying that she's never heard of this salad before, and even though it sounds delicious, this is not what she ate on the set of Friends. But it does look really tasty. It's basically kind of a doctored up tabbouleh salad. I have a great recipe for a winter tabbouleh, which is a little more of a classic tabbouleh with some kale and cranberries in it. I'll link that for you below. Today, to this salad, we're adding in some red onion, chickpeas, there's fresh mint in there, which is actually typically in tabbouleh. I just don't always use it in mine because I like to do one-stop shopping at Aldi and they don't carry that, but they do have fresh parsley, so I always use that. And it has a nice fresh lemon and olive oil dressing. It's very easy to throw together. It just takes a little time to chop everything up, but it tastes awesome. This is the kind of salad my husband loves to have in his lunch every day when he goes to work. So I like making a big bowl of this at the beginning of the week, and I can divide it up into little Tupperware containers that he can take with him. And it's great because it gets better as it sits, as the flavors kind of meld together. So he can eat this throughout the week, and so do I. So let me show you this tasty Jennifer Aniston salad. For this salad, you could use whatever grain you like. I'm using quinoa today, but typically I prefer using bulgur wheat, but I just can't find that very readily in the grocery stores around me. So for this recipe, I rinsed off really thoroughly 1 cup of quinoa, and then I added it in a medium saucepan to 2 cups of water and seasoned it with a little bit of salt. Then you bring all of this to a boil and cover it and put the heat on low, and this simmers for about 15 minutes, and then you take it off the heat and let it sit for a couple more minutes just to absorb any remaining liquid, and then just fluff it up with a fork, and that's your quinoa. For the veggies, I'm dicing up 1 English cucumber. So this one is seedless and the skin is very thin, so I kept the skin on. If you're using a regular cucumber, I would peel it and then also remove the seeds, just because those can be a little bit tough. I'm also adding in 1 package of fresh mint that I chopped up and half a bunch of curly parsley. And then I finely diced 1 red onion and added that in too. Next up, I drained and rinsed 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas and added those to the salad too. You get a nice crunch from the red onions, but also from these chopped up pistachios. This is about a half a cup, and whenever you add nuts to a salad, it's almost like this kind of softer, chewier crunch. It's a different texture than everything else in the salad. It's really yummy. To dress the salad, you drizzle on about a 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, season it to taste with salt and pepper, and then juice 2 lemons. Lastly, the salad calls for half a cup of feta cheese crumbles. I love this brand because it's really creamy, so I decided just to use the entire 8-ounce package. I crumbled that into the salad and then stirred everything together. Now, for my salad, I usually cover it and refrigerate it for a little bit before eating, just so that all the flavors kind of marry together. But before you eat it, I would take a little taste and see if it needs any extra seasoning or another splash of olive oil just for some added moisture. This salad tastes really summery to me from the fresh cucumber and mint. Also, I love the red onion in here. It's a really nice bite and crunch in contrast to all the other ingredients in the salad. This is a total winner. Definitely try this recipe out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow me over on Instagram at Anne's Family Recipe and give this video a thumbs up if you like this salad recipe here today. Thank you so much for joining me here in my kitchen, and I'll see you again soon.